Guys, Joshua Roy here, and it had been a long time since I made the last video, and so today I'll be doing the unboxing of the NHT 1045 Nova trimmer. So this is a 1,000 rupee trimmer, and this is the cheapest trimmer you can get now on Amazon. Yeah, I bought this from Amazon. So if we just 1 minute. I'm just pulling off the tab, which is actually very difficult, so that is why I'm like off camera. Guys, 1 minute. For now the camera is little offset. Let me just open this up. Oh, finally, using scissors I had to remove this up. So actually, as soon as you open this, you will see the user manual and the trimmer itself. And so you can see that this thing is the blade or something. I don't know what is this. Okay, and as you can see, guys, this is the trimmer itself. It's wrapped in plastic, but before this, let's just check the other components we get. So we get a user manual. We get this very nice hair comb something, and this is some lotion, I guess. This is hair 13 modules, and you get a battery, and you get the charger, and you get the nice case, stylish case. So yeah guys, so let's just go to the trimmer itself. So as you can see, it's nice, glossy it is, and it's very nice. It looks like a premium look. So let's just open this file. So you can see, guys, a pretty nice trimmer. It's nice, glossy looking trimmer, guys. It's not too easy to like. So what I decided to is, I decided to just cut it off. Yeah guys, so this is it. This is the trimmer itself, and you can see it's very nice and sleekish look. So let's just test this trimmer. Let me just pull off the tab. So as you can see, guys, this is the trimmer, and here is the place where we insert the battery. So it's a very nice thing. It comes with battery, and you can see, guys, this is the trimmer. It just has an on-off switch, so it has a pretty simple interface. It doesn't have any complex interface or anything. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.